Hi, this is Greg from Structural Toolkit. You can access your recent Structural Toolkit projects and folders from within Structural Toolkit by going to File and then Recent. In here there are two sections. On the left are all your recent projects, allowing you to easily access them without trying to locate them in your file storage system. You can even pin these projects to the top, ensuring your current projects are always at the top of the list. On the right we then have a section for folder locations of your recent projects. Clicking on any of these will open up the relevant project in your File Explorer. This will then allow you to import any of the design documents from this opened folder into your current project. This function acts in the same way as the Import button on the Document tab, but without needing to spend time locating the project. Like with the section on the left, you can also pin a folder location to the top. One example where you might want to use this is if you have a generic project with a lot of standard designs you typically use. With the folder location pinned to the top here, it will be easy to import files from it each time you need them. That about covers the recent documents and folders section in Structural Toolkit. Feel free to check out our website for other tips and videos. Thanks for watching.